What's going on, YouTube? Another box break video today, and today we will be doing Panini Contenders 2019. Super excited to open this bad boy up. I finally got it in the mail. It was, it's pretty expensive for me up here. In terms of CAD, it was $260, I believe. So it's quite expensive for what you can get out of it, but it is the premier set, according to a lot of people that think this is the one set where it comes with a rookie ticket. You can see in the back here, and they retain their value very, very well if you hit one of the better QBs or better rookies. This is the one auto that I think you want to have in your collection, and it only comes out of this set. So you'll definitely, if you can afford it, I would recommend getting at least a box. You have 5 autos in one box, and one of them will be on card, and it'll be one of the rookies of the year. So I think that's the one big pull for this set. And the base set, if you like doing the base set, it's only 100 cards, so it's not too hard to build in terms of a set. But of course, the biggest draw is the rookie autos that you can pull from this. So definitely looking forward to seeing what I can get out of this box. There are a bunch of variations. I think one I was reading in the forums. There's the new one this year. They had I think it was the mosaic along with the cracked ice, and I think they don't have it's not serial numbered, but supposedly that is a 1 of 1, and it's a pretty cool looking card. I did see a picture of it, but I haven't seen anybody actually pull one out of these boxes yet. So maybe I'll get lucky. So anyways, let's see what we can get out of this guy. All right. So yeah, it was, it's kind of an expensive box, but if you only do one box break of this a year, I think this is probably a really cool one to do. So let's hope there is a good one here. If you get a lot of packs, you should be able to come close to building at least one base set from one box. So you get 6 cards per pack and then 18 packs per box, so quite a bit. All right, let's see what we can get. Definitely exciting here. Von Miller, Zay Jones, and ooh, that's pretty cool. It's not autoed, but it's a nice insert. Rookie of the Year contenders of Danny Dimes, Nick Foles, and David Johnson. Kirk Cousins, Ben Roethlisberger, Drew Brees, MVP contenders, another insert here of Deshaun Watson, Sony, Devontae Adams, and I'm sure everyone watched the playoffs. I'm super bummed that my Ravens got demolished by Tennessee. That was just a brutal game, right? Yeah, but Jackson, that first INT that he threw, it kind of threw him off his games, and next thing you know, they're playing catch up. So nice markings in there. Oh, excellent. Nice little PC hit here. Round numbers, round 1. Marquise Brown and N'Keal Harry. That's sweet. AJ Green. Kong Su. The guy's name is always hard to pronounce. So of the 4 teams left, let me know in the comments below who you got for the Super Bowl. I'm indifferent. I think the Niners are going to take it, though. They had an insane game. First auto is Juan Thornhill. Right, speaking of Kansas City, right? They had a real good game, real good comeback game there too, but I think the Niners are they're the team to beat this year. Ben Roethlisberger, MVP contenders. Duke Johnson Jr. and Bobby Wagner. Let me see this one auto here really quick. But Derrick Henry was such a beast. I mean, guys have been an incredible year this year so far. He's just lighting it up like none other. All right, Derek Carr. Oh, I think I saw redemption, eh? Zeke here, and what do we have? Is it a good one? Rookie ticket stub RPS, Noah Fant. I believe that would be the on card. So we have Noah Fant from the Broncos. That's the second auto here. Another round numbers, DeAndre Baker and Dexter Lawrence. Keenan Allen and Kenyon Drake. Yeah, rookie ticket stub RPS. Maybe it's not on card, but we'll see. Galladay, Marlon Mack, Dante Pettis. I was high on this guy to start the year, and the guy didn't really do much. Unfortunately, another rookie contender. Gardner Minshew. Nice. Tyreek Hill and Todd Gurley. Hey, if anybody wants one of these barcodes, I just toss them. They just junk them. So, I mean, if you would like them, leave a comment, and then I'll shoot you a note and give you those for free. I don't even use them, so. Carson Wentz, Lamar Jackson, Matt Stafford, and Dwayne Haskins. Rookie contenders insert, so that's pretty cool. Thielen, James Conner. So far, 2 autos. I think I did see a couple boxes where they did get shorted a hit too, so I really hope that doesn't happen with mine. So, we'll see. Cortland Sutton, sorry. John Brown, Jordan Reed. What do we got here? Tim Brown, legendary contenders. Sweet. So this is the other insert, right? Another insert here. Murray Cooper and Le'Veon Bell. So inserts fall 1 per pack. And I think there's only 4 round numbers, legendary contenders, MVP contenders, and the rookie of the year. I think that's about it. Tony Walker, Calvin Ridley, Gary Conley, MVP contenders, Zeke, Michael Thomas, and Leonard Fournette. Odell. Aw. Sucks. I just got the news that he retired too. That's too bad. Oh, Aaron Rodgers. Is this a veteran ticket auto? Oh no, it's not. Championship ticket. Sweet. Number to 99. Excellent. And right behind there's a winning ticket for the Ravens. Ray Lewis. Good little PC hit there as well, too. Nice. Let me put that aside here. Oh, and then sorry, the winning ticket is the other insert here, I think. The other insert of the bunch. So that's cool. And then Jerry Cohen, Mariota. Oh, that'd have been sweet if I hit a Rodgers auto. Hey, that'd have been cool. Reggie White, Peterson, Matt Ryan. Oh, winning ticket, Eli Manning, Fitzgerald, and Saquon. So only 2 autos so far. That means we got, how many packs we got here? We got 7. So these last 7 will be fun. Let's hope. Melvin Gordon, Fletcher Cox, Ben Curvin is another auto here. Sticker auto. No idea who he is. That's cool. So that's the 3rd auto there. Rookie of the Year Contenders insert for Kyler Murray. Eli Manning base, Tom Brady base. Would be nice to hit a cracked ice though. Those cards look fantastic. Kelchi, Aaron Donald, Leighton Vander Esch. Yeah. Devin Singletary, Rookie of the Year. Christian McCaffrey and Deshaun Watson. Earl Thomas III. Kerryon Johnson. Zach Allen is another auto, looks like here. Oh, cracked ice. Ah, that looks sweet. Nice. Yeah, I was just talking about it, hoping I hit a cracked ice, and there you go, boom. 2 of 23. Definitely a slick looking card. Awesome. And we got TJ Hawkinson and Noah Fant, who I also got a redemption of. Right? Aaron Jones and Joe Mixon. So looks like 1 more auto left. And if the next auto is a sticker, then we'll know that the Noah Fant one is a on-card auto. CJ Mosley, Khalil Mack, Derrick Henry. And we got Chase Winovich and Damian Harris, round numbers. Russell Wilson, Phillip Rivers. Jacoby Brissett, Garoppolo. Oh, Eric Dungy for the Giants. Eric Dungy. So there you go. So I'll recap them later. Let me get a sleeve for this guy as well. MVP of Dak, Mike Evans, and Patrick Mahomes. Definitely a fun box. So Julio Jones, Terrell Williams, Pat Tillman, Russell Wilson, Ryan Fitzpatrick, and Stefan Diggs. Last pack, nothing crazy probably. All the autos have been hit. Baker Mayfield, Cam Newton, Darius Leonard, and legendary contenders insert of Charles Tillman. And Smith-Schuster, Kamara. There you go. That was a fun break. So Noah Fant. Here, let me recap the autos here really quick here. So we got Eric Dungy. We got the cracked ice. This is 2 of 23 of Zach Allen. Very nice looking card. We got Ben Curvin. We got a Noah Fant redemption. So it just looks like a regular rookie ticket stub here. Redemption. And Juan Thornhill. We also happen to hit a championship ticket of Aaron Rodgers, numbered to 99. So that was pretty cool. Overall, I think that this box was pretty solid. Got one cracked ice auto, one short print championship ticket of a fantastic QB, and Noah Fant, who I think is pretty decent on the Broncos. Should be pretty good, and 3 other rookies here. So overall, not a bad box, I would say so myself. We got a bunch of inserts here, one of which happens to be of Marquise Brown, which is great. And then we had MVP contenders. Oh, sorry, let's sort those out here. We had MVP contenders, 5 of them, along with 2 legendary contenders. And we also happened to hit 2 winning tickets. All right, let's sort these out here. 2 winning tickets, one of Ray Lewis, one of Eli, and 5 Rookie of the Year contenders: Kyler, Devin Singletary, Haskins, Minshew, and Jones. So all in all, I'd say it's pretty good. Tough to gauge the value based on the price of a box up here in Canada, but I think overall, this more than made up for the box in my mind. I wanted to hit one of these guys, and I did. It just, of course, it wasn't the player that I wanted, but that's okay, right? These autos are always in demand too, right? Or these cracked ice are always in demand. And Aaron Rodgers was a sweet one. I don't really like a redemption, but it's okay. We'll see. Hopefully, it doesn't take too long to get filled, right? Anyways, thanks for watching. That was a fun break. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and stay up to date on my latest box break videos. Also, don't forget to comment who you got for the Super Bowl so I can make my bets as well too. Thanks. Stay tuned.